Pre-settlement funding without my attorney consent. Can I get a pre-settlement funding without my attorney's consent? The quick answer to this question is no. It is impossible to keep your lawyer in the dark as you apply for pre-settlement loans. Your lawyer is critical in getting approval for your lawsuit loan and receiving maximum financial assistance when applying for pre-settlement funding. On top of that, a reputable pre-settlement funding company should not approve your application for a pre-settlement loan without your attorney's approval. And there's good reason for that. Number 1, your attorney will be key in determining the strength of your case, which will be the basis for your lawsuit loan amount. Number 2, your attorney will work with a legal funding company to finalize a fair loan agreement and help you understand everything in it. Number 3, your attorney will be responsible for issuing payments to all the parties involved once the case has been settled. Why do you need attorney consent to qualify for pre-settlement funding? As part of the lawsuit loan application process, reputable consumer legal funding companies like Stonewood Funding will need information about yourself, including the details of your case. This will provide them with the needed information to determine if you qualify, including information about the defendant and the strength of their defense. With your lawyer's help, the legal funding company will be presented with vital information about your case, which will be used as the basis to determine the expected settlement and the timeline of the awards. Once the assessments are completed, your legal funding company will have to determine the amount of money you can access through lawsuit loan funding. Your lawyer will continue to work with your legal funding company to complete the loan agreement or contract. What information do legal funding companies need from your attorney to approve your pre-settlement loan application? The following details are often requested from your lawyer by legal funding companies. Details of the accident, when, where, and how it happened. Information about the defendant, including their insurance policy. The extent and severity of your injuries. If the accident causes you a permanent disability, your chances for a full recovery. Information about any relevant and realized property damage. Your medical expenses. Your current and future income loss. What if my lawyer denies my request for pre-settlement funding? Although it's not required that your lawyer approve your request for pre-settlement funding, he or she should be your advocate and must have a full understanding of your situation. Talk to your lawyer about how you need cash to pay your living expenses and how it could assist you in winning the case. Why choose Stonewood Funding for your pre-settlement funding? If you're seeking a court settlement because you've been a victim of an auto accident or personal injury, you could qualify for Stonewood Funding's pre-settlement legal funding. We offer strictly non-recourse pre-settlement lawsuit loans, so we bear all the risk of your pre-settlement funding. Apply online or call us toll-free at 844-544-3863 to start your free application for lawsuit loan funding.